everyone, welcome back for speaking English for every single day in the front of camera. So today I would like to tell you about my plan. But actually this plan already I set up in the last 6 months. So the plans was about storytellers. You know guys storyteller means? So, storyteller is someone who delivers story, experience, or anything familiar with that with storytelling style. So, storytelling style will focus on intonation, articulation, and then emotional feeling while telling a story. And now I will also say that on previously I already created some storyteller video, and you can find out on my channels, and I forget what's number of video, but yeah, you could find it if you find out. And now I also will start my day with storyteller, just to start my day. Yeah. And also on previous video, on previous day, on previous months, on previous 6 months, I already created many video was about my daily routine when I was waking up from my bed, when I was preparing for my stuff, all item on my room before I stay out of my room to my workplace, while I was walking through the traffic light. Then I get into the busway. Yeah, I collect many video right in my computer. And you know guys, I just didn't know what I made with that video, because I was being lost while I faced with a lot of things, while I very busy at my workplace, and very busy with while I was hanging out with my friend, my co-worker, and forget my goals. And I need to transfer myself to come back to the call. This is really important with me as someone who really care, who really listen to the call. I also don't know, or I feel confusing till this day. So what would I deliver on my story? What would I start? What would I use from the start of my video? What would I use to record myself? And everything just goes running. Everything just goes running on my head, and I really confusing for everything.